First night staying over with someone you're dating, and this happens.
I'm on a Tinder date and she's having a nightmare.
Bacon! Bacon McMuffin meal! Peanut! Nani split with a coffee frappe! Mom!
Thank God this is just her breakfast order. Can you imagine? She just reveals all kinds of shit when she sleep talks. She's just knocked out. Herpes is okay to live with. You can live with herpes. Or you're just in a sound sleep and you just hear, poisonous coffee in the morning. That's what we always do. Make sure to poison the coffee. What the fuck? Anybody on this got, do you sleep talk or do you sleep walk? Any of that? It's fascinating. It's like a lie detector. You're just speaking truth. He wasn't that good. What? Come on, man. I faked it all.